Health Matters is sponsored by Bon Secours.
Bon Secours has announced it is the first hospital in the metro area to treat patients in the Apollo trial. Now, this trial is designed to evaluate patients with a life-threatening heart condition for a special type of therapy. Joining me now is Dr. Scott Lim of Bon Secours St. Mary's Hospital. Dr. Lim, tell us more about the heart condition and this groundbreaking trial.
Some of our patients with heart valve disease have something called mitral regurgitation, where the mitral valve, which normally directs a flow of blood through the heart from the lungs, rather than the heart pumping the blood forward, the blood leaks backwards across a valve into their lungs, contributing to their sense of shortness of breath, low energy, and frankly, heart failure. The standard therapy is open chest, open heart surgery to repair or replace that valve. What the Apollo trial is looking at is through a much smaller incision, can we instead replace this valve, giving the patient a new lease on life? The Apollo trial is designed not just to help the patient in front of us with that heart valve problem, but also to allow us to learn how do we better serve the patients in the future.
Wonderful information. Thank you so much for sharing. If you want more information on the Apollo trial, again, being done at Bon Secours St. Mary's Hospital, just go to bonsecours.com/Richmond.